My dear students, in my previous video, I derived the standard equation of the ellipse when the major axis is along the x-axis, that is horizontal ellipse, like that. This is the horizontal ellipse. It is major axis along the x-axis. Major axis along the x-axis. Minor axis is along the y-axis. In this is the equation of the ellipse we derived in the previous video. If the major axis is on the x-axis, the standard equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse where the x-axis is along the major axis. A is always greater than b, major axis is greater than b. And in this case, eccentricity, we have to find out the eccentricity. For that, listen, x squared by a square plus y squared by b square. Now, eccentricity of the ellipse, if the major axis is along the x-axis, this is eccentricity we know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus b square. From this, you will get b square by a square. Bring this denominator a square to the denominator of left hand side, it becomes 1 minus b square. And you bring e square to the left hand side, it becomes plus b square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. From this e, eccentricity is square root of 1 minus b square by a square. This is the formula for eccentricity of the ellipse. E equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. E is less than 1. For the ellipse, eccentricity is less than 1. These are the things we have seen in the previous video. Now, I am going to define the equation of the ellipse if the major axis is along the y-axis. Major axis is now along the y-axis. You will see. What is this equation? This is E is root of 1 minus b square by a square and E is less than 1 for ellipse along the major axis, along the x-axis. Now, equation of the ellipse, if the major axis is along the y-axis. See, this is the major axis is along the y-axis. See, CY is the y-axis and CX is the x-axis and the CY is along the major axis, along the y-axis. This is the major axis of the ellipse and BB dash is the minor axis of the ellipse, AA dash is the major axis, which is along the y-axis. Which is the x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. If the major axis is along the x-axis, it is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If the major axis is along the y-axis, x square by b square will get. If the major axis is along the x-axis, you will get x square by a square. A square is along divided by a square is below the x-axis. Here, a square is below the y-axis because it is along the y-axis. So this is the difference. Equation along the x-axis is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Whereas the equation along the y-axis is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. The b square equal to a square equal to 1 minus b square is same. Now, here, major axis is along the y-axis. So a dash is equal to 2a. This is the major axis. Major axis is a dash equal to 2a. So CA equal to CA dash or semi-major axis A. These are called semi-major axis. Semi-major axis. Similarly, BB dash equal to 2B. This is minor axis of the ellipse. Minor axis. CB dash equal to B. This is semi-minor axis. Semi-minor axis. Okay. Equation is x square by b square plus y square by a square equals 1. Here also a square is a is greater than b. In this case also major axis is along the y axis, a is greater than b. CA is a dash is 2a, bb dash is 2b. Center of the ellipse, center C, 0, 0, origin. Center is origin. See, these are the axis, this one. These are the results you have to remember. And center is origin, 0, 0. S and S dash are foci. Foci of the ellipse. Two foci we have, foci S. 0, this is along the y-axis, therefore 0, comma AE. S dash is 0, comma minus AE. Y-axis, along the y-axis, focus is along the y-axis, therefore S is 0, comma AE and 0, comma minus E. This is 0, this distance is minus E. Distance is AE, point is minus E. Foci are S, 0, comma AE and 0, comma minus E. The directions is y equal to minus a by e and y equal to a by e. Two directions we have. This one direction is L, another direction is L dash. L is y equal to a by e and L dash is y equal to minus a by e. The directions is y equal to plus or minus a by e. Y equal to a by e above the x-axis and y equal to minus a by e below the x-axis. That is, directrices are two directrices, y equal to a by e and y equal to minus a by e. As well, L dash and L1 dash, L1 dash are two lateral sectums. L dash one lateral sectum, L1 dash is also another lateral sectum. Endpoints of lateral sectum L is b square by AE and L dash is minus b square by AE. Similarly, endpoints of another lateral sectum L1 dash, L1 is b square by minus AE. Here b square by minus b square by minus e. Minus b square by minus e. These are the endpoints of the lateral sectum. L1 dash, L dash. B square by AE minus b square by AE. Another lateral sectum is b square by minus AE, b minus b square by minus AE. Endpoints of the lateral sectums. Length of the lateral sectum is b square by AE, b square by AE, 2b square by AE. Length of the lateral sectum L dash is 2b square by AE. The major axis you have seen, minor axis and center vertices. Vertices you know. Vertices of the ellipse. Vertices A, 0, comma A, along the y-axis, A dash, 0, comma minus A. 0, comma A dash is 0, comma minus A. This is vertices. Foci vertices, okay, diagonals, and length of the lateral sectum. Length of the lateral sectum. L dash equal to b square by a plus b square by a. You get 2b square by a. This is length of the lateral sectum. Okay, and eccentricity, the same as in the case of previous ellipse. Ellipse along the x-axis, eccentricity are same for both the ellipse. It is vertical ellipse. Along the y-axis, the ellipse is in vertical form. If the major axis along the x-axis, the ellipse is in the horizontal form. But eccentricity is same because b square is a square, 1 minus a square, 1 minus a square. The eccentricity E equal to root of 1 minus b squared by a square. For this is also E is less than 1, therefore E is root of 1 minus b squared by a square. This is eccentricity of the ellipse. Okay, next we will solve some problems using these two ideas. In our exercise we have some problems to solve. We will solve the problems one by one. So it is the ellipse along the y-axis. Okay, next. Find the equation of the ellipse for the given data. We have to find out the equation of the ellipse for the given data. Exercise 5.2, problem number 2, subdivision 1. Find the equation of the ellipse if the foci of the ellipse are given. Foci are plus or minus 3, 0 and eccentricity E equal to 1 by 2. These two data given, they are asking you to find out the equation of the ellipse. Foci plus or minus 3, 0 and E is 1 by 2. Then find the equation of the ellipse. Foci means for our, this is ellipse along the major axis along the x-axis for this ellipse, because y is 0, exponent is there, therefore major axis along the x-axis, foci plus or minus AE, 0 is equal to plus or minus 3, 0. Therefore, AE equal to 3. Foci by definition along the x-axis, foci are plus or minus AE, 0. Because this is the horizontal ellipse, major axis along the x-axis, one foci S dash, AE, 0. This is minus AE, 0. Therefore, 2AE, center, SS dash, distance between the foci. This is AE, 0. This is given as 3, 0. And this is minus 3, 0. Given as 3, minus 3, 0. Therefore, AE is 3. So, for this ellipse, AE equal to 3. But you know E, A, but A you don't know, but E is 1 by 2 given. A into 1 by 2 equal to 3. By cross multiplying, A equal to 2, 3 are 6. A is given. From the result, AE equal to 3, we have determined A equal to 6 because E is 1 by 2. A into 1 by 2 equal to 3. So A equal to 6. Okay. What is B? We know that B square equal to A square into 1 minus B square. We want B square. A is 6. A square is 6 square. Into 1 minus B square is 1 by 2 square. That is 36 into 1 minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. That is 36 into 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. That is 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27. So 9 3s are 27. B square is 27. A is 6. A square is 36. That's all. Therefore, the standard equation is along the x-axis is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, the required equation of the ellipse is Therefore, required equation of the ellipse. Therefore, required equation of the ellipse x square by a square is 36 plus y square by b square is 27 equal to 1. This is the required equation of the ellipse for this problem. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That is the problem for this first subdivision. Next, second problem we will see. Second subdivision in the second problem is given foci 0, plus or minus 4. Here, foci are given as 0, plus or minus 4. 0, plus or minus 4. Endpoints of the major axis. Here, instead of foci given, and endpoints of the major axis. Foci is 0, plus or minus 4. Endpoints of major axis. Endpoints of major axis 0, plus or minus 5. 0, plus or minus 5. So here exponent is 0. Therefore, ellipse is along the y-axis. Major axis along the y-axis. Vertical ellipse. For this problem, major axis is along the y-axis. For this problem, this is x-axis, this y-axis, major axis along the y-axis center. Endpoints of the major axis. This is 0, 5 and this is 0, minus 5. A dash, endpoints of the major axis given. And foci also, this is 0, 4. Yes, one foci is 0, 4 and another foci S dash is 0, minus 4. These data is given. So major axis, length of the major axis is semi-major axis, CA is 5. So from this we get semi-major axis CA, distance CA, this is all the CA is 5. That is the semi-major axis is CA is 5. Okay, and AE, foci is 0, 4, therefore distance CS is AE. CS is AE. Distance CS is AE, that is 4. We know that A is 5, therefore 5E equal to 4, E equal to 4 by 5. We have E equal to 4 by 5. So A you know, E you know, therefore from this we can determine B square equal to A square into 1 minus B square. A square is 25. 5 square into 1 minus E square is 4 by 5 square. This is 25 into 1 minus 16 by 25. A square equal to 1 minus 16 by 4 square, 16 by 25. That is 25 into 25 minus 16, 9 by 25. 25 cancelling, you will get 9. B square is 9. A square is 25. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse is, therefore, equation of the ellipse along the major axis, equation of the ellipse, major axis along the y-axis, x square by a square, x square by b square, plus y square by a square equal to 1. It is along the y-axis, major axis. So x square by b square is 9. plus y square by a square is 25 plus y square by a square is 25 equal to 1. This is the required equation, Ellipse. That's all about the problem 2. Okay. And one more problem, the second problem, therefore third subdivision, given length of the lateral sectum and excentricity is given. We will see the problem. Third subdivision. Second sum, third subdivision. Length of the lateral sectum. Length of the lateral sectum, LR means lateral sectum, that is 2b square by a. Length of the lateral sectum formula is 2b square by a is 8 given. E, the eccentricity E is given by 3 by 5. See, using this data we have to find out the equation of the ellipse. 2b square by a is 8. Major axis along the x-axis. Major axis given as along the this is major axis along the x-axis. Major axis is x-axis. This is the problem given. 2b square by a equal to 8. You know that 2b square by a equal to 8, you know, given. Therefore, b square by a equal to b square by a equal to 4. 8 by 2, 4 here. 2b square by a 8 means b square by a is 4. You know b square is a square into 1 minus b square by a. B square is a square. B square equal to a square into 1 minus b square by a. By formula. B square is substitute a square into 1 minus b square by a equal to 4. E is given by 3 by 5. Therefore, when a is cancelled in the numerator, a into 1 minus e square is 3 square by 5 square. 3 is 3 by 5, e square is 3 square by 5 square equal to 4. That is a into 1 minus 9 by 25 equal to 4. So, this is a into 25 minus 9 is 16 by 25. 25 minus 9, 16 by 25 equal to 4. So, a equal to 4 into 25 by 16. This is 20 by 16, that is 4. Cancel, you will get 25 by 4. This is your A. A is 25 by 4. For this problem, we determined A, that is A is 25 by 4. A is 25 by 4 we determined. From this we have b square. We can determine 2b square by a equal to 8 given, and b square by a equal to 4, you know. B square by a is 25 by 4 equal to 4. That is 4b square. Yes, b square equal to, from this we can determine b square equal to 4 into 25 by 4 become 4 by 25. This is right hand side will become 25 by 4. Numerator becomes 4 by 25. If you bring it to the right hand side, it will be 25 by 4. That's b square equal to 4 into 25 by 4. 4 cancel. You will get 25. B square is 25. You know, a is 25 by 4. A square is 65 by 4. 16. B square equal to 25. A equal to 25 by 4. Therefore, a square equal to 25 square is 625 by 4 square is 16. This is a square. So equation, if the math x-axis equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore required equation is, since the math axis has the x-axis, equation of the ellipse, equation of the ellipse, x square by a square, x square by a square is 625 by 16 plus y square by b square is 25 equal to 1. This denominator is 16, denominator to denominator becomes numerator. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse is 16x square by 625 plus y square by 25 equal to 1, which is the required equation of the ellipse. That's all about the problem. Okay, I will stop the video here. We will solve the 3 sums in the exercise and we will continue the next problem in the next video. Thank you.